Well, on a whim, I downloaded the MyChevy app to control your C8 remotely. I thought it would be gimmicky and stupid. I was bored at work. Pretty much, you can control your C8 anywhere in the world from your smartphone. It's actually pretty cool. Let's talk about it. All right, so here's my C8, obviously. So most of this I'm doing for the first time. I played with my app quite a bit at work. This will be the first time like turning on the car, locking it, etc. And I'll show you all the cool stuff you can do within this app. This is the MyChevy app right there. And bear with me, it's kind of hard to film this while navigating this, so I'm trying my best here. All right, cool, we're in. And the cool thing is that it shows your actual car, like your trim, your wheels, everything. I'm assuming it knows by your VIN, which is pretty freaking neat. Up there, it shows you real-time fuel, which is exactly what I have in the car right now. My tire pressure. It's cold here. I need to put some air in my back tires. It even gives you the recommended tire pressure, which is 29, I believe. Yeah, right there. So yeah, I'll do that tomorrow. I am going on a trip tomorrow. Gives you your total mileage on the car, your fuel level, which is crazy, your oil life, upcoming maintenance. My next scheduled maintenance is going to be the transmission filter, which I'll be doing that myself. Any diagnostics remotely, which is so freaking cool. So if this thing's at like a dealer and we're working on it, you can see what's going on with it, which is pretty cool. Any updates? My vehicle is up to date. You can schedule service if need be. But what I want to see is playing with this thing remotely. So let's try to unlock it first. You gotta hold it to unlock. Okay, just saying. All right, sitting to my car right now. Sorry about the glare, guys. I'm just trying to make sure you guys can see this, okay? Oh, it unlocked. It took about 5 seconds, but nonetheless, it did work. Let's lock it so we can start it remotely. Now you gotta hold it. Okay, it's sending. Oh, car's locked. All right, let's see if it starts. It's so weird controlling my car from my smartphone that's going into space to a satellite and going right back to the car. All right, let's see. All right, let me turn it off. I'm in a garage. I want to kill myself. That's pretty freaking cool. What else can you do? So like I said, lock, unlock, start. I don't want to sound the alarm. It's gonna be loud. Flashlights. Sending. Cool, I did it. This is very novel. It's very silly, but I'm loving this. All right, let's go and stop the lights. And done. Boom. All right. Trunk unlock. I guess this is only the rear. You can't do the front. But let's see. Interesting. So it says the trunk is unlocked. It didn't do anything though. Oh, you know what it probably is? It's probably just for the button. Now it's unlocked, so you can hit the button. That makes sense. Let me make sure real quick. Car is locked. Yep. I'm assuming that's what that meant. Because the car is locked. Alright, what else can we do here? Oh, you can even do your climate control, which is pretty neat. Oh wow, so it starts up. I'm not gonna fart with this. I trust it all works, but that's pretty freaking cool. Driver. Oh wow, this is all really neat. Hopefully you guys can read this right here. So you can set it how you like it, exit like 30 seconds. 30 seconds is perfect for me. It's kind of cool. You do all of this remotely. Technology's crazy, man. Media. All my apps and stuff, my radio favorites. I always just use Pandora, so I'm not worried about that. Oh, map. All right, well, this part I'm blacking out because this is where I live. Pretty freaking cool. So roadside assistance, explore EV. What's this? I don't need it. I don't want someone to show up. Hotspot. I have a hotspot. That's pretty cool. So this is all my personal stuff, like, so you guys can see it. It's hard to focus on this screen because I have a screen protector. It looks fine in person, but recording it looks all goofy, but it doesn't in real life. Anyways, this shows you all your stuff, even your my reward points up there, which I should have a lot more than that. considering I bought this car. I gotta look into that. I just think it's so cool that it shows your actual car on the app. That's stupid, but I like it. Oh, this was cool. You can download a PDF of your owner's manual. How cool is that? And yes, it does work. Isn't that cool? I'm not going to, but you can if you want to. How things work? Oh, no way. Wow. So this is like their own YouTube built in. This alone is worth it. Holy cow. So this is pretty much like a digital owner's manual. This is really neat. I think this alone will help a lot of people out there. I'm gonna go through this and do a video separate just on this. There's a lot of cool stuff in here. These are all video tutorials. Holy cow, there's a lot of them. That is freaking cool. Yeah, we'll do a separate video on that. And even message them if you've got a question. This is crazy. And again, like I said, you can do this anywhere in the world, assuming both your car and your phone has service. So cool. Oh, and one last thing. You do have to have OnStar for this to work. I just happened to get it when I got the car as for peace of mind, just for anti-theft purposes. And it's 15 bucks a month, I'm pretty sure. But this is cool. Totally worth it. And I'm not sponsored to say this at all. I don't think I am. And I thought this was stupid and gimmicky, but no, this is pretty freaking rad. So yeah, if you have OnStar but don't have this app, get it. This is cool. Even if you don't have OnStar, it's almost worth it to get it. Crazy. This is cool. Well, anyways, guys, yeah, I just wanted to share this little tool with you. Pretty freaking neat what you can do. And again, I'm going to go through all those little video tutorials and tell you guys which one's worth even looking at. Pretty freaking neat. So cool. All right, guys. Real quick, I got my rear diffuser will be here the week after next. My spacers and suspension will be here next week for the wheels to bring them out a little bit and the car down a little bit. So that'll be a video for next week. And I got some other stuff I'm going to do too in the meantime. And I can't believe it's almost Christmas. I still feel like it's February. Holy cow. So, all right, guys, that's all I got for today. Just a quick little fun video. I wasn't planning on doing. I just happened to get the app, and it's actually pretty freaking cool. So, all right, I'll catch you guys next week for another fun video. Until then, mark out.